Right. Wanna welcome back, Janet, look at that season 5. You're a hoe and you blow it. Ziggy 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 ziggy. Anyway, cabbage can fly, I found out. Also, Louis Southam has glasses, and his nickname is Herbert the Pervert. Jake Turner's got crabs. Susan Boyle's got a Susan Boyle fan. What was it? Sexy and I know it. Hold on. Ignore Jewish people, they've just got webcams. You know, buddy.